placement, school choice, and the timelines of that?
So we have published a high school guide, and it's will be available to families online, and we'll be mailing them home. In the guide, we did put in there that North would be accepting 9th grade students because we didn't know the outcome of this particular meeting. We felt like we needed to put that in there. The school choice opportunities are going on now. Students are visiting high schools and making their choice for the next school year. So that's currently going on, and open houses are taking place at high schools, and I think North in the guide has their date for December 1st, if I'm correct, yes. And we are asking that choice cards be in, where parents select their first, second, and third choice for high school, that they're in by February 8th. So that February 8th deadline is when we start making selections to high school. So depending on what you chose, if you're a 9th grader and you choose, if we wait till the March date, you may end up missing your first choice by the February 8th deadline. So that's one thing that you have to consider. The other one is that we start doing our budgeting process, like what we're starting now with tonight's presentation, but we will also start to look at projected enrollments for each school. And we start preparing their budget for the next school year. So based on the number of students they have, we allocate students. And in high school, it's about a 1 to 30 ratio that we do, and then all the other supports that go along with that. So the budgeting process coincides sort of with the date, and the actual choice in enrollment is before that. So making this decision in March means that families, and I'm telling you, it's a hard-working group. But if they don't get the students that they say they will get, then we have to work with those families to help them find a choice, and they may not get their first choice. They may end up getting, a second choice in that regard. But they can do it.
How about the other part of the question then, about how would we, with the high school 345, how would we?
Well, we would do what we're doing now. We would have to provide the classes that students would need to graduate. So we would have to provide additional resources to do that. So this year with the 265, we projected, I think, a 500 student enrollment. We did not pull resources from North High. So in the actual allocation process, we allocate based on projected enrollment, and then we kind of do this adjustment, and throughout the year to see where we're over and where we're under. So we move students and staffing around. I'm sorry.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
I have one more question. I'm sorry,
Okay.
Director Bates. So, Director Davis, then, how does, help me understand the March 31st, since it's a complete conflict with the February 8th choice date, and actually causes potential harm for students who might consider North that date.
Consider that we could amend the date.
So, okay, but so the date, we don't know where the date came from?
Well, the date actually came from a proposal that I also think it gives them additional time. I did have conversations with Superintendent Johnson about what choice size in terms of date. So it's kind of one of those tough things about how we do community, but also our district